Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a cat lover, you've probably noticed that cats come in all shapes, sizes, and personalities. But what about the cats who act like dogs? Yup, you heard that right. Some cats are more dog than cat. They fetch, they follow you around, they greet you at the door, and they even want to cuddle like your favorite pup. But why is this happening? Are these cats just special? Or is there something deeper going on? Well, today we're diving into this fascinating topic. Why do some cats act like dogs? Number 1. The basics of cat behavior. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly talk about the usual traits of a typical cat. We all know the stereotype. Cats are independent, aloof, and prefer to do their own thing. They love their alone time, and they usually come to you when they want attention, not the other way around. But this isn't the case for every cat. Cats have evolved as solitary hunters, so they're typically more self-reliant than dogs. They don't need to rely on social bonds in the same way dogs do. Dogs, on the other hand, were bred for social purposes, like herding, hunting in packs, or guarding. Their loyalty and desire for companionship are rooted in their history as pack animals. So, when a cat starts acting more like a dog, greeting you at the door, following you around the house, playing fetch, it's clear that this cat is breaking the mold. But why do some cats display these behaviors? And what could it mean about their personalities? Number 2. The influence of breeds. One major factor that influences a cat's personality is its breed. While every cat is an individual, certain breeds are known for their dog-like characteristics. Let's take a look at some of them. First up, we have the Maine Coon. Known as the gentle giant of the cat world, Maine Coons are famous for their friendly, dog-like behavior. They're not just big in size. They're big on affection, too. Maine Coons are social, love interacting with humans, and will often greet you at the door when you come home. They're also known for being highly trainable, which is rare in the feline world. They can learn to walk on a leash, fetch, and even play games with their owners. If you've ever had a Maine Coon, you know that these cats can be more like a dog than a traditional cat. Another breed with dog-like traits is the Siberian cat. Siberians are playful, curious, and not at all shy about showing affection. These cats often follow their owners around and love to play interactive games. They're also very intelligent and can be taught tricks, just like a dog. If you're looking for a cat with the energy and personality of a dog, the Siberian might be the breed for you. Number 3. Socialization and upbringing. One of the biggest factors in why some cats act like dogs is how they were socialized when they were kittens. If a kitten is raised in a household with dogs, they might pick up some behaviors just by observing and interacting with them. Cats are incredibly adaptable creatures, and they can learn by observing other animals in their environment. Kittens raised around dogs often pick up cues from their canine companions. They might start following the humans around, mimicking the dog's play behaviors, and even engage in the same kinds of social behaviors. The early stages of socialization are critical for a cat's development. If they're exposed to positive interactions with other animals, they may grow up with a more open and affectionate temperament, much like a dog. For example, if a kitten grows up with a dog that loves to fetch, it might start to play fetch on its own. If a cat sees a dog wagging its tail and getting excited when its owner arrives home, the kitten might learn to associate those same behaviors with positive experiences and excitement. This can lead to the cat adopting dog-like behaviors, even if it's not in its nature to do so. On the flip side, a cat raised in a more solitary or stressful environment might grow up to be more reserved or independent, sticking closer to typical feline behavior. So, the environment and experiences a kitten has early on can play a huge role in how much it adopts dog-like traits. Number 4. Personality and temperament. At the end of the day, each cat has its own unique personality, just like humans. Some cats are naturally more extroverted and curious, while others are more introverted and cautious. But that doesn't mean you can't find a dog-like cat in any breed. Some individual cats are just wired to be more social and affectionate, and that might include following you from room to room, licking your hand, or even playing fetch. These cats tend to be more eager for attention and more open to engaging with their owners. Some might even learn how to respond to their name, just like a dog would. This behavior could be a result of the cat's natural temperament. An extroverted cat might be more inclined to act like a dog than an introverted one. Their strong desire for companionship can make them more likely to exhibit behaviors typically associated with dogs, like waiting by the door for their human to return. Interestingly, some cats become more dog-like as they grow older. Kittens are often more independent and playful, but as cats mature, they might crave more attention and affection from their human companions. If your adult cat has started following you around or seeking your lap more often, it could be a sign that they've simply become more comfortable with you and are seeking that closeness, just like a dog. Number 5. The science of cat-dog behavior. So, what's going on inside a cat's brain when it starts acting like a dog? Well, there's a psychological aspect to this as well. Cats and dogs have different brain structures, which is part of the reason why their behaviors differ. However, certain behavioral traits, like loyalty, affection, and social bonding, are not limited to one species. Cats are perfectly capable of forming strong emotional bonds with their owners, and sometimes these bonds express themselves in dog-like ways. A study conducted by the University of Lincoln found that cats, just like dogs, are capable of forming attachment bonds with their human companions. Cats often view their owners as a source of security and comfort, much like a dog does. So, when a cat acts like a dog, following you around, waiting for you to come home, or playing fetch, it could be because it sees you as a trusted companion and feels a strong bond with you. Cats may also display dog-like behavior in an attempt to get attention or rewards. Dogs are trained to associate certain behaviors, like fetching or sitting, with positive reinforcement, usually a treat or praise. Some cats can learn to do the same, especially if they're motivated by food or affection. Conclusion. So, why do some cats act like dogs? It's a mix of genetics, socialization, environment, and individual personality. Some breeds are naturally more affectionate and social, while others learn dog-like behaviors from their canine companions or from positive interactions with their humans. Ultimately, cats are incredibly diverse creatures, and no two are exactly alike. Whether your cat's fetching the newspaper or curling up by your side like a loyal pup, one thing's for sure: our furry friends are full of surprises. Thanks for watching. If you've ever had a cat who acts like a dog, drop a comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.